Hi everyone, this is Abbas from Lead Training Center Bandra, and in this video I am going to discuss about interfaces in Java. Now coming to the first thing, that is, what is an interface? So interface is a contract that is agreed upon and implemented by a class. So once the interface is defined and a class implements that interface, the class is now bounded with that interface, and the class has to define in detail the methods that have been put across by the interface. The construct of the interface looks similar to like a class construct, but it contains only abstract methods and constants. And important thing to know is an interface cannot be instantiated. Basically it can be implemented and by a class. So now let's look at some additional points on interface. One class can implement many interfaces, that's true, and in this way many of the authors have written that this puts up across a point of multiple inheritance also, which is not possible for a class across a class, but a class can implement from multiple interfaces. Same interface can be implemented by many classes, that's true, and interfaces are in a totally different hierarchy from classes. So it is possible that classes that are not related to each other, but they can basically implement the same interface. So it is something like a truck and a car, which may not directly be related, but both of them can have a method called combustion, which they are implementing from an interface called related to combustion. And interfaces help a lot to achieve loose coupling. So loose coupling basically is something wherein the objects are not tightly bound with each other, and the maintenance of the application becomes quite easy. So we can discuss this all across in another video altogether about loose coupling. And interfaces basically help us to achieve a level of abstraction, so the user of an interface doesn't need to go into much of details and basically just needs to use the methods across the interfaces, because once the user knows that these are the methods, then it is irrelevant of the classes that are there. It can go across and easily use those methods. So that makes the life of the user very easy. Now taking an example of an interface. So we have an interface animal defined over here with the keyword interface, and it has two methods, eat and travel. So by default these methods are public and static and final. All these are the various attributes that are default given to the methods of an interface. Then below we have the class mammal, which is implementing the animal interface, and here the two methods which are declared in the animal are actually defined over here in details as part of the class animal over here. So in this way we see a simple understanding of interfaces in this short video, and in future videos we may explore more about interfaces. So thank you very much for watching this particular video on interfaces in Java, and please do visit our Facebook page for Lead Center for more upcoming videos. Thank you very much.